What type of porcelain? Well, this is an interesting question because there has been a huge change in porcelain over the years. I know that some people are very concerned with the older type of porcelain, the porcelain crowns that you sometimes saw on people where they would smile and you would see a black line just where the gum was. And that was because they were metal porcelain crowns. So they used to have porcelain that was quite fragile and brittle. So what they would do is they would use metal underneath for the strength and they would fuse porcelain over the top. The problem though is over time, most metals actually corrode. So what you end up with is you end up with these black lines everywhere. Nowadays with new porcelain, there's two things that you have to remember. We almost never use metal. In all of our cases now, they're all full porcelain crowns and they're usually pressed porcelain, which is actually the nicest type of porcelain to actually use. The other aspect too is that we actually try and be as conservative as we can. We no longer use crowns like we used to. A lot of the times with cases is that you see a patient who had some very minor concerns but ended up having crowns to fix them. The idea now is to really do the most minimal treatment you can get for the best result, and sometimes that means very minimal or no preparation porcelain veneers all the way to very small contact lens pieces of porcelain. It enables us to do treatment that doesn't damage the teeth in any way and gets a fantastic cosmetic result that can last up to 15-20 years.